The thumb tip is a powerful, versatile tool that is in almost every magician's arsenal. This set is perhaps the most comprehensive exploration ever assembled on this classic tool of magic. Not only are the fundamentals explained in detail, but you'll also discover psychological subtleties, advanced handling, and a wide range of professional routines, each designed to astonish any audience. If you've never performed with thumb tips before, this set is the perfect introduction. If you're already experienced, you'll find a wealth of fresh presentations, exclusive routines, handlings, and performance tips from some of the finest creators, including legend Joshua J. As a bonus, you will be receiving a brand new effect, the bending button. A simple shirt button is placed into your spectator's hand. When they slowly open their hand, the impossible has happened. The button has visibly bent itself, and the best part, the button can be fully examined both before and after the effect. Includes a set of 7 professional finger and thumb tips, 1 set of brass bending buttons, 1 set of brushed silver bending buttons, and complete online instructions. Whether you're just getting into magic or you're a seasoned pro, you will love this set. This is Handpicked Astonishments Thumb Tip Set.